Hello, I'm Delia Codes, and this is my first Node project. You get to see it roughly from start to finish, with the exception being when I'm in a Q&A session, when I'm creating some private stuff, bunches of other things. So, anyway, last time I think I had an issue with, excuse me, to clean my glasses. I think I had an issue with one of my, with trying to create I'm having trouble talking here. So, I think last time, anyway, I was having trouble connecting my data structure from front end to back end. And, I thought I had fixed the problem, but apparently not. So, I've done a lot of writing, I've done some Q&A, and I'm here to make that happen, at least partly. So today and tomorrow, I will probably be streaming, if you're watching this live. If not, you can always click on the next video. Okay, let's start doing it. And I don't know how long I'm going to go today, but I'll go for at least a little bit. Okay, so I've got a Quokka here set up. And I need to create a function. Or technically what I need to do is I need to make sure that moment dot week 0 dot format, and then type in D is going to give me what I expect. So let's do this. Const result 1, actually const 0 equals that, and then let's Quokka runs it as soon as you do it. So 0 is going to be like this. So week, okay. So I need Wednesday. Actually, let's do Saturday. Okay, this isn't working right. Oh, okay, so in other words, what they want is they want a 3. I need to figure out how I do this. Okay, because the idea is that we're going to, we've got some relatively complex things going on that I'm trying to this is like the first step among like 5 steps. Well, 5 or 6. So that's that. We can close this. I need, what do I need? I need my moment docs. I need to figure out how to moment.format. Okay. But how do I pass it in? Oh. Okay, so it looks like I put it in the moment. Right. Yeah, I don't need this week here. I just need this. And I'm getting a, oh my god, I'm getting something ridiculous. Okay, so let's put Wednesday. Let's do Saturday. Okay. I know I do this in my code somewhere. Let me maybe steal the code. And then I can kind of figure out how I do this. So let me actually do a find for a moment. Okay. Moment. Moment, weekday, and then format. Okay. So let's see if we can make this happen. Okay. Let's do D. Okay. Great. And so 0 is going to be sun. Okay, so great. Okay, so let's go next. Const day is equal to moment dot weekday. Weeks is ISO week, ISO blah blah blah. Okay, so let's figure out, because it's the other conversion that I'm kind of like, how do I do this? Okay, it's because I want to convert. No, I don't need to display as a format. Yeah, this is all stuff that doesn't make sense for me. I need a get, and I need to get day of the week. Oh, okay. Dot day, and then format. So weekday is number. Dot day is going to be that. Okay, so it's going to be dot day. And let's go with Sunday. Dot format. And then let's figure out what the appropriate thing for that is going to be. That's going to be a D. D. Let's make this a string. And let's find out. Okay, so let's go with day right here. Great. Okay. So that is our conversion. So let me explain to you a little bit more of what we're doing. Let's go to client. So we created a JS doc thing right here. And so we're going to say Sunday, Monday, and then we're going to say to, we're going to say wed, we're going to say THU, I think. Though let's double check, and actually no, we don't need to do that. We need to maximize this, and we need to split screen it. Okay, so, and then right here, what we're going to do, let's do that. that is a 1, that is a 2, that is a 3, that is a 4, that is a 5, and that is a 6, and that is a 7, and that is a 1, and that is a 0. Okay, so Friday is right here, and then Saturday. And then we need to change the object that we do day 0 in, which is going to be down here somewhere, I think. Actually, no, it's going to be somewhere else, because this is our client.js. Okay. And then the rest of it, I think, takes place in our app.js. Yes. Okay. Great. There we go. And then let's go with our app. Here we are. Here's what we need. Okay, so let's do string, and we do Sunday, and then string, and then Monday, and we go Tuesday, and then we go here, and we go Wednesday, and then we go here, and Thursday, and we go here, and we go Friday, and then we go here, and we go Saturday. Okay. Let's save, see what happens. Okay, it doesn't like my whatevers. Okay, and then, I mean, I think we're good. I think it's a matter of going through and saying, I think that that's exactly what we need. So let's say here Sunday. I'm not gonna worry about the first day right now. I'm just gonna commit this. Changing data structure to serve to front end to have weekdays instead of numbers. And the reason why we're to have weekdays, and then we're going to put a period. And the reason why we're doing this is because days, the JS docs does not like the numbers as the thing. So what we want to do is we want to be able to convert before we sort in the client. The idea is that we sort it based upon the number, but we convert, but from there we convert into the thing, which I don't know if that entirely makes sense. The idea is that we sort based upon the number, but then we convert it back to a weekday when we serve it. And that way it's a sorted version of meals. So it's kind of important to do this. Okay, so that's our first part. So let's go back to the client and let's find our sort meals. And so what we're probably going to want to do is okay. Aha, this is our sort meals. So what we want to do is we want to, what we're probably going to want to do with the sort meals is we're going to need to make this into a function, a regular bodied function. So let's make that happen. And then we're going to need to put a return in here. Actually, no. And then we're going to say const sorted day numbers equals this. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to... So we have two options, right? We can... we can do a... we can do a sort me dot for each. Okay, before we go to this, let's figure out what we need. Let's save this so it does its thing, and let's write our tests a little bit. So I'm going to keep this on the left-hand side so I know a little bit more of what I'm doing, and let's write our test. Okay, so let's figure out our sort. Let's look up our sort. Sorts data into proper order. Okay, so what we expect is going to be day is Wednesday, wed. We're going to say Friday. Let's make sure that Friday is actually the day I expect it to be. It's 5. Okay, and this is going to be Sunday. And is that actually the result we want? So let's make sure. So we've got an object. Actually, no, that's not the result we want. Because, so what we want, actually a lot simpler than this. Well, let me not throw the baby out with the bathwater. Let's kind of kill in place. Okay, because it doesn't need the meals in here. Wait, I don't know if that's actually the case. Okay, so it's tested via display in order. That's the only place that it's tested. So right now I'm modifying the display in order, which we will need to modify. But I don't necessarily think that that is going to be, that's exactly what it should be. So let's create a sorted test. Let's say it sorts array sorts array of meals correctly. And let's do displays data. Data in order. Okay, so here. Okay, so let's say sort meals. Let's do sort meals. Actually, sort meal days. Sort weekdays. That's really what it should be named. Okay. Sort weekdays is equal to... Okay, and then let's export sort weekdays. Okay. So from here, what do we need to do? We need our... unsorted array is equal to... And then we're going to say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then we're going to do Wednesday, and then we're going to do Thursday, and then we're going to do Friday. And then we're going to do Saturday. And just to confirm, let's stare at this again. Let's stare at the function as we wrote it. Days to sort. And then let's do current day. And there's probably a more efficient way to do this. Copying and pasting, you know, and so on and so forth, but, you know. In fact, we'll copy and paste right here. And then we're going to say no. Okay. All right. I like this. This is gonna do. This is gonna do really good. Okay, const unsorted array. Great. And then expect And then let's do const result is going to be equal to Wednesday, or wed, and then let's do Thursday, and then let's do Friday, and let's do Saturday, and then let's do and then we do Sunday, and then we do Monday, and then we do Tuesday. Okay, and then we're going to say expect sort weekdays, unsorted array, 3 to equal result. Okay, not too bad. I mean, could be worse, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's see if we can get this to work. Okay, so I'm tempted to break this out into 2 different functions. So let's call it const, and what we're doing is we're now importing this into convert day weekday do I already have a convert weekday to number? Oh. Well then. We'll delete that one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Tell me, oh, I have 4. Wow. Okay. Let's make sure. I wonder if I have it tested. Okay. So let's say apparently I already do this. I feel like I should test it briefly. Okay, so let's say expect convert weekday to number, and then let's put in Friday, and then to be 5. Okay, so apparently I don't need that one. Okay. Days to sort dot for each. Okay, this is annoying. This is an array. Okay. And then we're going to say, here we're going to say string day. And then we're going to do convert weekday to number. Okay. And then let's move this up. And we can move it up here. And then from here, const convert number to weekday. And then we're going to say here, well, we need to write a test for this first. So now that we've got our name, let's export it, and then let's import it. And we should probably also be running our tests, that sort of thing too. So let's put that there, and then save that, and then let's import it in our client. And let's say it returns day of week when given number. Okay, and then we're going to make it really simple. We're going to say expect convert weekday to number to weekday. And then we're going to say 3 dot to be wed. Okay. So let's save this, and actually let's go away from Quokka, at least in here. And let's make sure that we've got our MongoDB running. And then let's kill our server that was apparently running. And let's go with npm test dash 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 watch. And then we can go from there. And probably I should commit in one of these. Okay, what fails? Test suite failed to run. Yeah. Okay, great. Okay. I love it. Convert. Okay. So let's make this happen. Okay, so let's say, let's put number here, and then let's put an arrow and do moment dot day. No, we're converting a number. So it's actually going to be weekday. Number dot format okay. Schedule template is not defined. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Let's find out if schedule template is here. For the sake of unrolling meals per day is not defined. Okay. I mean, it's good that it's tested, but I'm not sure if I actually need it. Display in order is not a function because... All right, where are we at? Client test 190. Okay. And let's make sure that I export it. I do. Let's make sure that I import it. I don't think I do. Okay, great. Okay, so look, our test fails. Okay, and this is our sort function, which I don't think we finished building yet. So that test failed. Okay, so let's see if we can get that done. Okay. Here we go. All right. Days to sort for each string day, and then convert week to weekday to number string day. Great. And then from sorted day numbers equals day to sort. And then from here, we're going to return sorted day numbers, and then we are going to do dot for each, and then we're going to be doing day number, and then fat arrow, assuming I can fat arrow correctly, and then we're going to say convert number to weekday. Day number. And let's see if that makes the test pass. Ooh, still receive undefined. Okay. Okay, so let's put this in Quokka. And this is one of the other reasons why we have Quokka here, is so that we can kind of do this a little bit better. Okay, so, and then let's put our test here. And then let's do const unsorted array. Oh, and we need to define our other two functions. And then these two functions I need here, right here. Okay, so let's see here. And then let's do sort weekdays. And then let's do const result equals sorted weekdays. And then we're going to say unsorted array. And then we're going to say 3. And let's look at what result is. Okay, result is definitely undefined. So there is something going wrong here. Okay, so let's do console log days to sort. Oh, okay. Let's add this as a const. Const st is equal to that, and let's console log st and find out. St is so defined. str. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. Oh, I wonder if maybe I should do a map. Okay. I feel like, so it sounds like my methods aren't correct here. Okay, so, and then what we want to do is we want to say, numbered days. Numbered days. And then let's do numbered days. And then let's do numbered days dot filter here. And then let's do, and then let's change this as a map. Okay. I'm still not getting a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is a problem. Let's do console log numbered days. Let's look at my output. Okay, great. So I wonder if Console log sorted. Oh, okay. Oh, right. That's why it's not working. Okay, so let's change this out and let's see if our test runs. Okay, so let's go to our terminal and let's find out. Displays data in order, render schedule. Yes! Perfect. Test passing. Okay. Sort weekdays now converts from day now sorts and converts. Okay, great. All right. I think it is time to take a break. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I want to do two things. I'm gonna do two things, then I'm gonna quit for the day. What I want to do, so the next step is to create kind of the pipe that your backend stuff is gonna do. So this, what we used to call, and I'll use the client JS over here, the display in order. So this massive, ridiculous thing is gonna be, yeah. So this is gonna, let's just delete all of this. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to, I think that works. I don't think we need standard week. So do we? Yeah, I think that's not a bad idea. Okay, great. I mean, because the other thing that we could do is we could hard code standard week, but I think that we can just take standard week and do it. Okay, so because who knows, maybe it's like one of those things. Okay, so we need to display those meals in order, and assigned a value we never used. Blah blah blah. Okay. So we're going to have to break this up into a bunch of different functions. The end goal is we want to insert into the DOM the days and meals. So right now this is definitely going to fail. And let's, and this is render schedule as expected. So let's go to client tests and let's say, because right now, I mean, I could have that return this. I mean, I don't think that would be a problem. We just need to I just need to be able to create some of the other functions is my biggest issue. But let's tackle this schedule one real quick. Renders, let's search for schedule. Apparently I use it 12 times. We're gonna comment this out. I don't think we're gonna use that test. Mapping schedule template. I don't think we use this test anymore. What else we got? Yeah, I mean, this is part of what we're rewriting. Okay, so here's our... okay. So this is a test we're going to actually have to rewrite. Okay, so let's change it to Sunday. Wed, and then let's do what day? That was Friday. Render schedule test. Which is honestly not a bad test. Okay, so let's figure out what we're doing here. Okay, so from here, and let's actually, in here, let's comment out some unneeded tests. Okay, we don't need this. Schedule template can go away. This can go away, again. And I think that's it for now. Alright, I'm gonna say commenting out and removing unneeded code. Let's confirm that I don't have any other random... Yeah, that's fine. I mean, we don't want to push this data up necessarily. This const result is going to get us in trouble, for instance. Okay, so let's go to our test. What don't you like? I don't know. I don't know what it doesn't like. Yeah, I don't know what this displays meal. I need to figure out the structure of the rest of them. Equal, let's say, equals an object. And let's just leave it at that for now. Because it sounds like my next goal is to like figure out, okay, this is because I need to create a function that iterates over data map. I need to essentially create a function that iterates over the data map and then returns that roughly. And then I need to put a function that does that into that. And then, yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of like, okay, I need to kind of figure out how I'm composing this a little bit better. I at least got the first part done, though, and I think that's important. And the rest of it is going to be a little bit... That's going to be a little bit hard, but it's going to be good. Okay, so let me... I don't need to search for moment in here. Let me do editing one small thing. And that way, let's see if... See where my tests are. Schedule template is undefined. Ooh. Let me see if I can find schedule template. Maybe I just need to remove the reference to it. Okay, we're gonna do that. Unrolling per day meals. And then let's remove this. Okay. Great. So let's save you. Let's save you. And displays data in order and renders scheduled tests. Great. Removing unneeded obsolete function references, which is what I'm doing. Okay, great. Awesome. So I'm really glad we could get that done. Okay, so let's see here. I feel like this does too much. I mean, it could just return upcoming week. I mean, I could just literally return this. I don't need to do all that. And then if I did that, what would this look like? Const result equals an array with Friday Sunday, and then let's say Wednesday. Meals of week 5 to equal result. Okay, let's make that, see if that passes. Well, for one thing, this is an old data structure. Okay, well, we've got a failing test. Oh, maybe it's because we didn't save. Look at this. Passes. Okay, great. And really, honestly, that it isn't doing much, except for the fact that it's like taking in the data object, and then getting the keys from it, and then returning what this other function does. So I mean, it may be that I need to rename this, but at least that passes. I mean, I'm sure that it will be what it is. Okay, I think that's where we're going to be for now. I feel actually semi-positive about pushing this. I mean, it'll fail, but I think that it'll be a lot better. And I am definitely getting sleepy. So I'm going to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Delia_Codes on Twitter.